Hey guys, Gimmel's back, and today we are playing. Yes. So today we're playing, I think, like Beach House Tycoon. I think, and I gotta find an empty one because I can't find here. What is this? Oh wait, no, we don't want to go that way. We want to go this way. A little bit longer. Become an owner. This is my tycoon. Cash collect. 0 month. Wait, how do I start? Wait, what? I have 0 money, but it won't let me start. Oh, now it's going. I don't know what is happening. I don't like this game. See, I was playing Beach House Tycoon. I don't know. You're not gonna play that. No. So we're going to start the intro again. Hey guys, Gamer's back, and today we are playing Blox Hunt. No, do not go off the edge. And I bought this hair and it was so expensive. And it wasted all my coins. So now I only have 140 coins. Ugh. And I'm trying to do this parkour, but apparently I can't. I've never made it this far before. Guys, in a second y'all aren't gonna see the game. Y'all are only seeing me. It's weird. I like it better at this than just me because I look real bad. Yay, I'm a hider. Yay! Moon base. What is moon base? Oh. Book stack. Okay. I see the seeker. That's probably really loud. Oh, he's coming in here. Where'd he go? The seekers have been eliminated. Hiders win. I only got 20 coins from that. I mean, They could have gave me more. Ah. Here, guys. It made me jump. Y'all are gonna hear something, but... Hey, Mom! I'm filming, but would you please bring me talkies? Okay, if y'all could hear that, y'all are really good hearing, or I just didn't cover it up enough. Comment down below what I said. How is he doing that? Ah, I fell. Hold on. With water! Okay, that was easy. Yeah, we're doing this. Oh, I know where to hide. I just know. It's so easy. So you gotta hide as a cannonball, or a cannon, or a ball cannon. I don't know. Whatever y'all say it is. And y'all gotta hide right here. No, I wouldn't be crooked. Okay? Oh, I wanted to taunt. Ah. Oh, God. I think it just saw me. Thank you. I'm gonna get ready to run. I'm just jumping. This is really fun because they can't see me. Or they're just not going for me. I don't know. How aren't they seeing me? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Why can't I move? I know where one is, I think. Okay, I give up. Well, really, everyone hides downstairs, so... There wasn't 2 boxes down here before. Yeah, there was. No, the time is up. trying to see what's in the shop, what I can get with 184 coins. Or lower. Hats. Wow. What can I not buy? I can buy a bandana. I can buy a ponytail. I can buy pigtails. Big boa mask, an afro, a witch hat, a wizard hat, a monka, a patroller, beanie. Oh, I want to equip this. Equip. Okay, we're going to exit. Oh no. No, I'm a seeker. So guys, I think this is a good time to end the video right here. If you liked it, make sure to smash that like button. I will see you guys next time. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Sis vs. Bro, Gamer Girl, Ronald OMG. I love their channels. Check them out. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.